Turned out to be a beautiful day to walk. And that's exactly what we're doing. Windy. I like that. It's nice and windy. Be a lot more walks like this, I tell you, all summer long. I gotta try to get a different truck though. That truck, a lot of clicks on it, and it's running pretty rough. Change the spark plugs, the stirrer cap, change the oil, rotor, spark plug. It's still running rough. I gotta check the catalyst converter if it's plugged up. But lots of clicks on it, so hopefully I can get a different motor for it, or win bingo tonight. That'd be awesome. Anyway, beautiful day.